Today I am here at 300 Main Street in Madison to check out a laundromat. I just so happened to pass by while doing a route, and I figured I got some extra time today. I'm going to check out the place just to see what it's all about. Now it looks like it's here in a little mini mall here, which most laundromats are stationed. So I'm going to go inside. Before I go inside to check it out, the first thing, when you're ever scouting a laundromat or even as a customer looking at a laundromat, you want to see how much parking is available. Now, if I look around the shop here, let me just put this up a little bit. There's a good amount of parking here, except it seems to be pretty busy. And I think they also have like 15-minute parking spots over down to the right over there. So even though it looks like you get a lot of parking for the laundromat, you actually probably limited because there's so many stores at the location. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just 9 stores here before you even get near the laundromat. So 10 on this whole side. But anyhow, let me go inside to take a look. So this laundromat is like a plain slate laundromat. Doesn't have like a branding name on the outside. It just tells you laundromat. Even if I were to look on the signage out to the side, it'll probably just say laundromat as well. And one of the things I always hated, I just dislike always seeing like a lot of these advertising on the front store. I can guarantee that, the owners aren't really getting any type of revenue from it. It's like free advertising. And do not wash items that are covered in horse, cat, and dog hair. Yeah, it's hard to stop that. Alright, let's go inside. Take a look. Alright, they got their wash and fold stuff over here. They most likely do some type of dry cleaning. Alright, cool. So they got some old Hips machines. One of the great things about this store is definitely bright and lit it up. They're using most likely LED panel lights, which are pretty cheap and actually good efficiency for electricity. But let's take a look at their machines. They got his machines, $775 for a 6-loader, which is like 60 pounds. We got an older his machine that's $375. And this is most likely a 20-pound machine right here. And these are pretty old. They're like generation, they're probably maybe, I'll say, probably 12 years old based off of how this part is. Pretty old machines. They have this looks like a 40-pound machine for $6.50. I can't tell how many loads it does, but it looks like a 40-pound machine. And then the 30-pound machines are $5.50. And the 20-pound machines are $3.75, which do 2 loads. So they got a good mix of 3 30-pounders, 40-pounders, and 60-pounders. How you doing? But yeah, they got a mix of some old ones and some new machines. You have a tender here?
Yes.
How you doing? Kevin. How are you? Yeah, just taking around the laundromat. Just saw that the sign out there. Yeah, so just scouting, taking a look at places. Yeah. So I'm just recording to see, just kind of look at it again later on. All right. You the manager or?
No, I'm employee.
Just work here? Oh, okay. All right, no problem. How long you been working here?
With this family, I got 30 years, but in this business, I had 2 years.
3 years? Oh, okay.
He had a couple businesses.
Oh, the person has a couple businesses. Oh, okay. Yeah, just taking a look around. I see he has a few new machines and a bunch of old ones, yeah. But you guys, you maintain it or you clean it up?
No, they have companies that do it.
Oh, they do? Oh, okay. You kept them clean. They're really clean. Yeah, most places they're pretty dirty for older machines. Yeah, they're pretty clean. All right. And your name was what again?
Say again?
What's your name again?
Hermes.
Hermes? Kevin.
Kevin.
All right, man. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of stop by, take a look, and see like that. Yeah. All right. How much do you guys charge for a wash and fold?
We start with 10 pounds, $13.
Okay.
After that, 135 for this pound.
Okay, 135 pounds.
For some blankets, there's a different price.
So like, if I were to give you a queen size comforter, how much would that
I
be?
have to see the material.
All right, so say a regular one, not down.
It is down.
Not down, not down, just regular.
Regular 30, 35.
Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. Because down will be like, what, $40, $50? Yeah, that sounds about right. Yeah, that's the usual price. Do you wash them here or you take them to...
No, we do it here.
You do it here? Okay. All right, good. And you do dry cleaning too? Okay. So the shirts, you just put them on hangers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This way it doesn't wrinkle. Good, yeah. Okay. All right, Hermes, man.
Okay, take care, man.
Absolutely. That's a good employee. Always seems to have like the signages on top to kind of like let the customers know about it. But these are definitely some older dryers. I can't tell how many minutes they get per dryer. Let's see. How many minutes per dry? 5 minutes? Oh, okay.
The big one's 4.
Big ones are 4? Oh, okay. All right, yeah. So 5 minutes per dry and then 4 minutes for the bigger ones. Yeah, that sounds about right. And the folding space is definitely pretty tight. If it were to get crowded in here, there wouldn't be that much folding space besides what's for the staff. And they have a out of order coin machine. So they have 2 coin machines. This big one here is out of order. Might be have a jam or something with the motor. And you have this one here. Always want to have a good backup. And they got the old school drop little box vending machine. Alright, cool. The one thing I can definitely say, they definitely do a lot of wash and fold and comforters. The one thing I can say, the place is very clean, very bright, very inviting. It's easy to walk around. There's not much obstacles that's gonna be in your way. Definitely a few new machines, kind of like I guess some of the old ones probably broke down, but a good spot to come to. I like it. What can they do improvement? I'll take a look at that later on once I react to this video. All right. So again, this is 300 Main Street in Madison, New Jersey, and a nice little mini mall. Come check it out. It's a nice looking place. Easy to get around. Again, I'm not sure how long the washes were for, but again, it seems to be reasonably priced around average of what's going on here in the market. And that's it. I'm out. Peace.